This is Ollie from TaskTag, and I'm going to be showing you today what TaskTag will look like when you first log in, and just to run through some of the things that you'll see on the desktop so that you can get started with using TaskTag real quick. So here is when I first register for TaskTag, what comes up on my screen. I'm able to collaborate with team members here. This runs through a series of ideas about what I should be doing, creating a project, getting my team on board, creating tasks within that project, and also some more sophisticated uses of the tool too. On the left hand side you could see where my projects would be set up, and they would appear in a line across here. You can then see how I would actually see a list of my tasks, ones that are current, ones that are overdue and completed. We've given you a few to start off with so that you can get used to using the tool. And also you will have your contacts, which is preloaded with the TaskTag help desk that are always available to help you with your project, and any questions you would have on TaskTag. Over here on the right hand side you can see this is where I have my tasks, my chat, and I can begin talking and say, hi, I just onboarded. So these are the main screens that you'll want to see. You can minimize your chat over here. You have your main projects here that you will be working on, and when you want to drill down into tasks that need to be completed, you can see them right here. So that's a quick overview of the dashboard. We'll now come on to talking a bit more details about how you can set up your first project.